Politics watch. This is Sir P. Now, remember when I said the kerosene them will link with the mobile man them. And if you send some onion lime, about 75 lime minimum you're gonna need. Whole heap of honey. Turns out them need to send some more things in the package. You're gonna need some bush tea, some other herbs, Andrews, Fenzix, all kind of things. Because right now, Uncle Sam just dropped some court documents where implicate not just the youth them on the 6th side of things, but even the bad breed man them. The intestines of some of the 87 them are getting tested right now. The stomach lining is being eroded. Uncle Sam documents implicate a whole heap of people. And just to name a few, some of the man them, Uncle Sam a go for Teletubby, Jman, Fredman, Rayman. Look like Uncle Sam now play man. Get it? Based on how detailed this intel is Uncle Sam have, it's safe to say the Florida Water Commission is going to be real busy. The leakage has already started. I don't know if them have no washer big enough to seal up them pipe there. I don't know if the flooding that is about to take place in Florida can be contained. All of the man them were in the car, they go for Monster Man and Ford. Uncle Sam know everybody. Even man being in a balaclava claim to them master. Uncle Sam know them name too. Right now, through the quote-unquote source I call name, even the mechanic will service that car afraid. The body man will beat out one little dent on the side of that car afraid because he remember that car too. The tire man will fix the punch up on the car afraid. Hell, even the engineer in the factory will make the car. Right. Feed name would I get passed on to Uncle Sam too. This is a source, come like the magazine. I wonder how a random witness on the side of the street we don't know so much things to tell Uncle Sam. Right. But I already said the entire thing was caught on camera. You see, the man then pull up in a conversation because they know each other now. Some man they go back and forth and I say, are you to the man? Are you tell the bad breed man and this and that? Are you go for your second to this? Are you this chat? Big argument developed. Gunshot start fire. The police were able to tie Jman to the scene. Are you ready for this? We're definitely ready. Because remember when we did the video talking about video like 87s? You know how Uncle Sam tied Jman to the scene? Murder scene, crime scene. They used his Instagram. He wore the same clothes on IG. Right, the same day he go up on IG, post. Then to the crime scene, will get shot, and then to the hospital at the same clothes. So IG, crime scene, hospital, same clothes. Remember, Uncle Sam have it on camera. Now, you might be saying, yeah, but a good lawyer can argue that's so circumstantial and it must mean say, oh, he not done this yet. Well, let me just say this. Them 87 years, especially, no, let me just say this. No, he not done this about them, just say this. Them 87 years, especially the R87 them used to just blast them face and bust case. Don't think say this is the typical shooting where you might carry out in a Salt Spring. Put on one balaclava, shoot man, and then I eat that. If the witness come forward and say them see you and know saw you, then I eat that. Uncle Sam have a whole heap of ways to tie you to the crime scene. So even if Jman lawyer go say it's circumstantial about the clothes on the IG and the hospital, same clothes. Guess what them find on the scene? In DNA, because him get shot on the scene. You get on your screen right now. Them find him blood in DNA on multiple locations on the crime scene. As man I run up and down. Jman is in a whole lot of trouble. Speed with Uncle Sam. Right? Do the DNA test and get it back right away. Right? And then match back the IG and all them things and match the location and go for the camera. He do so fast that by the time Jman wake up, them could have said, see the evidence there now. Where you there, man? Where you there, man? Jman could have said, yo, that don't mean nothing. Right. I just want clothes, I want pants. Everybody has a pants and a shirt there. Because I'm saying, eh? Everybody have your DNA. And Jman said that. Things interesting, that's how I have to say. Jman IG has since been deleted, but me I wonder why. It's too late, dummy. Uncle Sam don't know everything after that. All them lives they want to do, show off much going on and go on the mostly. You think Uncle Sam wasn't tuning in? I'm telling you, them with a LIQ Jman situation, just the way how Jman them getting out of the country, should have been enough to make them lay low. Play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. But rest assured, Jman will not be going on death row. Just make sure, say, the onion and the lime and the mojo herbs reach fast. The last thing we want is for you to say, man start get all kind of issues with them trachea, right? And you know the vice box start to host up on them things. And even after I'm doing the talking about video like 87s, I'm start them youth to help build case against themselves, help sing themselves. Jman even jump back on the IG again. You see him fans them. I gas him up. Do you know where those quote unquote fans are now? Then we go on our next page. But guess what, our next LIQ 87. So them can self-destruct too. To add insult to injury, even the snake find time to be amused by what's taking place. The snake will currently behind bars. Dep on him IG. I like the pic. On the popular page, this is a blast. Right, them post about G-City man them getting implicated in the double murder case. I know Uncle Sam ever seen them. The snake who like the picture. The snake from behind bars is having a grand old time. This turn of events benefit the snake big time. His two main rivals them in America are on the verge of getting synced by the feds. Let's just say don't be surprised if you see the snake slithering on a street near you very soon. But Snakey, remember, don't start celebrating too soon, because history has taught us that enough people, especially people like you, are safer behind bars. So when you're enjoying yourself right now, look like say all of this is going to work out in your favor. But we know old people say, we're sweet and the goat, we're running belly. So before I end the video, let me just say this. We don't know why this happened to the Teletubby and Jman them, right? The bad mind. Right. Clearly, right, the JCF a fight against the man them, and a bad mind them treat them to the man them a drives. Oh, no, actually no, I forgot to say Florida did something. This is actually the Florida Constabulary Force. Right? What deal with this? The FCF. So I'm just a while ago about JCF, bad mind in Jman and Teletubby them. Right? Squash that. Get it? Squash that. I could see how Uncle Sam deal with it. But they're not really telling up the wrong state to keep on them foolishness. They work to visit them in a hurry, man. Hopefully, we'll have a speech prepared because Toby, Fredman, and Jman, and the whole of them, they're still Irish citizens. So they work to visit them where have all the strength for the Jamaican authorities. I want them to go pull up for Uncle Sam. Stick out your chest and run up on Uncle Sam. Run up and get done up. But that's not going to happen. I'm going to just watch them at distance. I might put out a little weak statement, especially after I watch this video because I don't want to look too bad. But Florida is a different state, and Jman them are Irie man. The fact that them in Florida don't change the fact that them are Irie man. So technically them still commander. When I watch, them still commander on the care. So run up on Uncle Sam, go tell him say, right, Jman them right to life, and Jman them this and that. Wanna? Then watch and see what happens. So when I have to go walk the walk right now, so draw from the statements and that sound too bad. I mean, not because this the big bad Uncle Sam means say, right? You shouldn't defend Jman and the six them right their life. Like I see it play out. Anyway, Patreon squad, you open yourself. Yeah, you don't know, all life. Politricks squad, stay circling. Bless.